Stop. You love PC? You love custom PC? Check this out. As you can see, our PC case is ready. Yeah. So I will show you how this works. First of all, this glass panel, it comes off. As you can see, it comes off. So this goes on the side. The back plate where the PC on the motherboard will go, that comes off as well. If you see, this is the power supply. This is the cable chamber. So all the power supply cable is coming from the bottom here. All the contactors are here. So basically this section is all for power supply, and the fans are here on the side. As you can see, there are fans here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Now